Hey y'all, you ever just clean, especially the bathroom, like deep clean, and then it still has a stench? Well, I have a fix for you. Not big, but I put the work in. Now, I tend to use a bidet, which are awesome, and you don't pay for toilet paper basically. But they're hard to clean and keep clean, which is very important. So anyhow, I cleaned this small bathroom, stand-up shower, deep cleaned it. Still has a little stench. So let me show you my trick, and I also do it in many rooms. If you want to kill everything, basically. So this guy right here is actually a UV light for a fish tank. And I'll show you what I do. And here in about 30 minutes or so, we're not gonna smell any of these wherever the hell smells they're coming from. Very simple. Up here. All right, back to it. This guy, low wattage. What I do, so all of the bulb is visible as I pull out this protective sleeve. Now, be careful once you have it out, because it's glass. Okay? You can get higher power UV sanitizers, but this is what I'm gonna do. I got a little extension cord because I want to get it put down by the floor. And the toilet area is well. That way, it'll kill shit. Just for safety. I do this in my bedroom too. Just weird smells, man. So hot. So essentially what this thing does, turn her on and don't stare at it. Okay. So there's a couple important things to do. Don't stay in the room when you do it. This is a handy trick from when I was in the hotel business. You know, when people smoke in those rooms, somehow they get all the scents out. They use an ozone machine. Put it in there for a little less than 30 minutes and they're done. So what I do, we're gonna get that guy. Now, what's important is to close any window, seal it up, okay? So I got that going. And then, I don't need this light out. I give it at least 30 minutes, sometimes 45. And what you will find when I'm gonna close the door, is you'll smell ozone. And it's just that clean smell. And then all the weird smells will be gone. 30 or so minutes later. Let's go see. Oh, I smell it. That's the smell of this guy, low power, killing pathogens, bacteria, whatever, because I don't smell it anymore. So now I will highly recommend just close the area off and you will get rid of all that stank. Okay? Thanks for watching.